Okay, let's talk about something real. Apps like Calm and Headspace, they're great. They've introduced millions of people to meditation, mindfulness, and stress relief. But here's the thing, they're one size fits all. And healing, well, that's not one size fits all. Think about it. Calm gives you a library of meditations, but it doesn't know you. Headspace teaches you how to meditate, but it doesn't adapt to your emotions or your energy. They're static. You press play, and it's the same meditation for everyone, no matter what's going on in your life. That's where Harmony AI changes the game. Our app doesn't just give you generic meditations. It creates personalized healing experiences based on your energy, mood, and even stress levels. Harmony AI curates meditations just for you. We analyze your journaling, your daily check-ins, and even your voice tone to give you exactly what you need in that moment, whether it's stress relief, grounding, or emotional healing. Now, your dreams aren't random. They hold messages from your subconscious. And Harmony AI helps you decode them by combining journaling, energy tracking, and astrology to give you insights you won't find anywhere else. And let's be real, energies shift. Lunar cycles, planetary movements, they all affect us. Harmony AI uses your birth chart to guide you through meditations tailored to these cosmic events. Think new moon in Aries. You'll get meditations to set intentions and focus on your goals. And if you are having a day where you feel off but don't know why, Harmony AI tracks your emotional and energy patterns to show where you're thriving and where you might need support. And then we recommend tools to balance it all out. Now, here's where we get fancy. Harmony AI listens to your voice, detects stress levels, and adapts on the spot. So if you are in a session and feeling overwhelmed, the app might suggest a quick breathing exercise or give you a gentle reminder to surrender. This all tailored just for you. Now let's talk about the future. Apps like Calm and Headspace are static. They don't evolve. Harmony AI is built to grow. We're laying the foundation for integrating vibroacoustic technology, frequency technology, quantum biofeedback devices, even VR healing retreats. Imagine stepping into a fully immersive healing session from the comfort of your own home. This isn't just another meditation app. It's a revolution in wellness. And we're crowdfunding to make it happen. Early backers get exclusive perks and first access to the app. So, if you're ready to leave generic behind and step into a world of truly personalized healing, click the link in my bio and join us. Because healing isn't one size fits all. It's your size. And Harmony AI is here to guide you every step of the way.